are you filming? We're cooking.
No, you haven't put the oil on it.
Oh my god, oil. Oh, this stuff. Alright, so today we are making pancakes. You gotta get your frying pan, turn on the stove.
You need to put more in it.
We have
No, that's not.
extra virgin olive oil spray.
No, that's not what I'm talking about.
More what?
You
Alright,
fill it up to
yeah,
the top.
spray your frying pan with some extra virgin. Got your pancake mix. Gonna get you pour it in a little pot for some reason.
Measuring spoon.
Whatever. Is this a spoon? You just right down there. We're gonna do lots of little ones because Morgan said so. Those were the ones before the brilliant idea to make a video out of me cooking.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Put some icing sugar in the whipped cream.
Alright, in here, little side project. We have cream that I drank a little bit of, probably too much, and we put it in a whipping thing. There's icing sugar in it, so we're gonna. It's gonna taste pretty good.
Have a look.
What?
Have a look.
Have a look. Okay. Oh my, that is lovely. Taste test.
Ooh. Yeah, have some.
Okay. Take your little pinky. And oh my. Some of these look like they're done.
No, you're wrong.
Pop that under there and just yeah, that's okay. We can work with this.
It's obviously not done.
They are. I'm really feeling that cream that I just drank. Like, yeah. You know what? Let's put this one.
You said that to me when we were.
Alright, so I reckon these are done. So now for the final step. Where the are you going? Oh.
Chef cups.
So here we have a plate of beautiful tiny pancakes. Yeah, they're all pretty good. And we have this. So on the menu today we have 2 mini rolls.
That's wrong. They're actually decoration.
Oh, okay. Alright, on the menu today we have pancakes, Nutella, drinking chocolate, pure icing sugar, and whipped cream with icing sugar whipped into it. What a beautiful feast we are underway. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get. Oh my! Pancake! It's a little burnt. Presentation. Yeah, we're gonna get our kniffy and Nutella. There's not a lot of Nutella in that. No, Nutella goes first because it's a spread and that is whipped and bloody. Get your Nutella on a kniffy and you're gonna that isn't working.
It's gonna give me every form of diabetes.
Yeah, but gotta remember, we're underweight. Get your whipped cream with icing sugar, a little teaspoon, and just let's see, a little bit. Just kind of even it out a little bit. Close enough. Spoon goes back in there, and you got your drinking chocolate. Just gonna get a
No. What the f?
gonna
There's
get
a spoon
get a
there.
pinch and just.
Oh, you...
Okay,
Okay,
I got this.
That is disgusting.
Get a pinch of.
I know where
just
those fingers have been.
presentation. Just gonna
Goes on the side of the decoration.
Oof, there we go. Just for extra pizzazz, you know, we're gonna get a little bit more of that cream and just I've been to fancy restaurants.
No. Alright, let me help you. No. Just smooth it over the top.
There we go. So yeah, word of advice, kids: if you're ever 15 kilos under the average weight for your age and height,
We have the solution for you.
Taste test. Here we go. Mini roll is good. There we go. Now for the.
How do we eat this?
You grab it with your fingers and you take a bite. Yeah, there we go. And then you just. How are we looking?
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, the whole thing, whole shebang. Then you can get your mini roll and just wowee.
Is there a threat?
Yeah, there we go. Cooking with Stinja, that's what you do if you're you need to put on some weight, but your metabolism is just like a